That is a no. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's a big buff. Yo, what's going on, guys? So welcome back to another episode of Tater Ridge TV. I'm still at the house right now, about to go meet Hunter and get this show on the road. We're headed to Kentucky to hunt them big old silver and big head carp. And who knows, honestly, you don't even know what you're gonna kill up there. So got a bunch of stuff to load, got the boat still low, but we're about to go do it, man. Listen, I appreciate you guys watching the video, following along with the channel. Subscribe so you don't miss out on anything we're doing. Leave this video a like. I don't know when this is gonna go up or what you're gonna see. I don't know. I just know that we are about to go do it to it. I'm super excited. Start school here in like a week or two, so the content's gonna go pretty much non-existent, I'm sure. So I appreciate my rooster Pedro out there letting her have it, son. All right, see you guys soon.
Shot a big grass carp.
Would you like to shoot this one?
You shoot it.
No, I got the camera on you, man.
On me?
Yeah, that's a good fish. Shoot that. Oh, hell, you shooting at a different one?
Damn, he ran.
Right over him, I guess. Bust him.
God. You went through him.
Got him. Find him. Watch out. I'm gonna go under you.
You did. I got one right there.
Oh! Nice shot. It's grassy, ain't it?
I think it's a silver.
It's silver, yeah. Fat thing. Where's the big head at? I got one of the good ones. Threw him. Dang, look at that big sucker coming up through here.
Yeah.
You got something? Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I'm just trying to find a big one.
Is the troller off?
Yeah. That's a decent one.
Yeah, but it ain't no
Come on, Dad.
no big head.
We really need to be shooting all of them.
I mean, I agree, but if we can find a big head. Dude, I can see 1,000 fish down there.
Dude.
We found them. Aren't you happy about that?
We worked for him.
Buddy, we're in them now.
Is that a good one?
About like Cristo. Nice, a bunch of fish, man. Where's the big bros?
We just need to start shooting.
Through that one. That tip is like a hot knife on butter. And I'm taking it off.
What is it?
It just slides right through them every time. What if I miss?
So I'll be a backup. He's gonna go right behind that tree.
I know it.
He's gonna go out. Nope.
Try him.
There he is.
Bud. How does it? No. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's a big buff.
Did we both have it?
Yeah. Sweet. Hunter,
Yes, sir.
what are your thoughts?
It's been a tough day, but when it needs to happen, we get it done.
I like it.
There you go.
Damn glare off the water.
Got it?
I'm out.
Grab it. That's what we got, son.
Good deal. Yeah. Ready?
Yep. Missed.